Oh, Max, we had so much fun when we went kayaking. That's why I got you this vest, because we're going to go try kayaking. Are you excited?
Yes! I'm excited, Lulu, and I'm so glad you're back.
Oh, me too, Max. Oh, Max, we had so much fun when we went kayaking. That's why I got you this vest, because we're going to go try kayaking. Are you excited?
Yes! I'm excited, Lulu, and I'm so glad you're back.
Oh, me too, Max. Oh, I missed you so much.
Me too. I hope you had a good travel.
I had such a great... We even saw alligator.
Wow!
I know.
Were you afraid?
Oh, yeah. I can't even hardly talk about it. I get so excited. I was like shaking like this. Oh, but you know what? It was kind of a good excitement that I had. Oh, preacher, he started rowing real fast, and we just got going and going and going. It was so fun.
Wow, I'm glad to hear that, Lulu.
But you know what? There's no alligators here. No
alligators.
No.
Because I might be afraid a little bit if
Oh.
there's an alligator here. I'm still getting used to this. You know, it's the first time, and
Don't be afraid, Max. Don't be afraid.
Okay.
Because Pastor's here. And also Brother Barton.
Pastor is here.
Bushcraft Barton's with us.
Wow!
It's so exciting.
Oh.
Wait till he comes back. He caught a fish earlier.
He did?
We're having it for supper. Yeah.
Wow, I'm
Bass.
excited.
It's
But
so
but
good.
but I think Lulu, I heard something.
Pastor's birthday? Oh, we have to sing happy birthday to him.
Yes.
Okay, let's sing.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pastor.
And we love you.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, Max, you're doing a good job on the whistle.
Thank you. I like this toy very much, Lulu.
Oh, you know why we have a whistle, Max?
Okay. Can I ask you something, Lulu?
Sure.
I have seen whistle before, but why on this vest that I am wearing? Do you know why?
Yes, because if we're ever in danger, Max, all you have to do is whistle and just keep whistling until somebody comes to hear you.
Really?
Yes, so
wow.
if we ever fall out of the boat, whistle your little heart out, because that's going to send somebody our way and it's going to save you and me, because they're going to come and help us.
Okay. Wow. Thank you. That's very helpful for me. I wasn't quite sure what was the whistle for. I've seen the referee when I watched TV in the school, but wow. Thank you, Lulu.
Oh, you're welcome. You know, Pastor taught me all of this, but I sure wish Bushcraft Barton was here. He could really show us how to go fishing.
I would like very much to meet him.
Oh, yeah, he's a pretty neat guy. Hey, do you know why we wear a life jacket, Max?
It's nice on me, that for sure. I like this very much. You look good too in yours.
And you look so good, Max. I'm so glad to be back here with you. I missed you so much when we were gone.
Me too, Lulu. I am glad we're here together. And by the way, where are we? It's kind of like I fell asleep, in the car a while ago, and I don't know. I ended up here, and we were in this nice place. What is this place, by the way? Can you tell me?
Yes, this is the National Park in Lac Frontenac. That's what this is. But this is called Lac des Ours. That means Bear Lake.
Oh! Ah! Is there a bear here?
No, not really. I think they call it that because it's shaped like one.
Oh, wow. That
But-
kind of like could be me.
Look how calm it is.
I like this very much. Wow, I could hear the birds.
Oh yeah, it's so nice. But back to your vest, Max. We wear a vest because just like the whistle that you have,
Mm-hmm.
if we ever fall in, this vest is, and your vest and my vest, it's going to save us from sinking underneath the water.
Oh.
Even if we can swim, it's for our safety. So it's very important to wear a life jacket like yours and mine when we go out in a boat.
I'm glad I got mine. I like the color too. It's red.
It looks good on you.
Oh,
Red
thank
is
you.
one of my favorite colors.
Wow. Okay. Wow, that's nice.
Okay, Max. So now we've got to go out and do some rowing. Are
Okay.
you ready to get started?
Yes,
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. We can do this, Lulu. Oh, that sounds so much fun. Me too. Wow, this is awesome. I'm the champion.
My nose is there first.
Oh wow, look at that butterfly.
Oh, that's so nice. Pastor's playing for us. Hey, Max, are you enjoying this?